Hi everyone, you're watching Bizzi Art, and in this video I'll make a swan. Using my paper, I'll fold this in half on the diagonal. Unfold, then use the outside edges to fold towards the middle. I'll use that diagonal crease to fold in half. With the long edge, I'll fold this on an angle so that it looks like you've got a really long neck. I'm making this a really strong crease as I need to do an inside reverse fold. If you haven't done an inside reverse fold before, I'll open up my paper so you can see what's happening. So I'll grab the layers on the inside and I'll fold them in towards each other like so. Then I'll use the upper section. I'll take that left corner and I'll fold this in on an angle. Then I'll do another inside reverse fold for this little section here that gets tucked inside. Using the same layer, I'll then use the right edge and this gets folded inside. I'll flip over to the other side and I'll mirror the same fold on this edge. So I like to fold it this way to match that angle, and then I'll fold it back the other way inside. Now for the neck. I'll need to fold this in half, although this crease will be underneath. So like I did before, I'll make the fold on an angle and then I'll flip it inside like so, and then repeat on the other side. Just neatening this up and then I'll go on with the next step. So here I'll use this neck section and I'll fold it upwards. I'll make this a nice strong crease because I'll need to do an outside reverse fold here. So with the reverse fold, doing it on the outside, you have to bend the paper back on itself and then press it flat on those angles on the neck. Now for the head. So I'll take the tip, I'll fold this down on a little angle and I'll make an outside reverse fold here. The head can be a bit bulky with this swan model as you've got a few layers that you're playing around with here. It might look a little bit messy, but I've got another step I need to do. So with the layers underneath, I actually need to pull these out and open them up just a little bit. I'm using my fingernail to just open up that section. And then once that's been opened up, then you flatten it down again. To finish off the head, I'll do a little pleat fold. So I'll take the tip all the way backwards and then I'll bring a small section to the front. And it's finished. Hi, it's Isabella from Bizzi Art here. If you enjoyed this video or you want to learn more about origami paper, Or if you're looking for origami paper to build on your stash, come check out my website. I've got the link in the description down below. Have fun!